Saturday morning. We are on the road. We're headed to Toronto for Disney on Ice. Very excited. We're kind of gonna see how Clara behaves for it. But first stop is the gas station to get some gas. It is minus 24 degrees Celsius outside this morning, so it's a cold one.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on.
We made it into Toronto. We're in the parking garage right now. The weather was a little bit terrible. Jay was fine with it. I was stressed. It was difficult to see. We did pass one accident that closed the express lanes. We managed to get over into the collectors right before we got stuck on the express. So that was good for us. We have an hour until the show starts. We've changed and addressed.
Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
Back in the car now. Disney on Ice was good. Clara started to misbehave a little bit during after the second intermission. I think we got that break and she kind of thought, oh, it's over now, and just acted a little bit crazy. So we left a little bit early. We didn't see all of Frozen or like the finale or anything, but that's okay. We ran up to the Eaton Center and Jimmy got some phone, and now we're on our way back home. We are back from Toronto now. We have some dinner. Got pizza and garlic bread. Today is definitely a big cheat day for us. Eating out twice. What's up, Clara? Oh, you're telling me to be quiet. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning. We're back in the car. We are headed to the conservation area to go for a nice little walk. We did all our breakfast prep this morning, so now we're finding another way to entertain Clara. We are back from our walk in the woods now. It is like 5 o'clock, so it's been a while since we've been back. We showered, Clara napped, Jamie and I played video games, and Jamie's just folding the last load of laundry with Clara. Look at all these socks. Jamie wears 3 pairs of socks every day.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Almost. And Clara is trying to put on my clothes. So we're just finishing up some of the prep for the week, making bacon, making chicken for salads, and making dinner. So we're gonna eat, and I think tonight Jamie and I might watch Wakanda Forever. We haven't seen it yet. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this pretty eventful weekend. If you did, please give the video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.